Hey everyone, thanks for joining me today. I'm Miss Nene and welcome back. And if this is your first time here, thanks so much for being here. I really appreciate you. So today I've got these silicone coaster molds. If you didn't see my haul from Temu where I purchased these, I'll leave that link in the description so you can check out that haul video. I got these coasters from them, and my concern was it was so thin and I didn't know if it would hold up in the resin. And it's a nice set. You get the coasters, you get the stand here. The stand mold feels more sturdy than the actual coaster molds, but I'm going to give it a shot today. I'm going to try them out to see if they'll work or not. So I'm going to go ahead and prep and get ready. Thanks for being here. Okay, so my resin is already mixed up, and what I forgot to do is what I recommend you do is this next step do before you mix the resin so you have enough time to pour your resin. So I'm going to use this chameleon powder that I got from Less Resin. I'll leave the link for that in the description for you. And I'm just going to go around the edges of the molds, and it has a pinkish blue kind of a color shift to it. You'll see once everything is done. But that's what I'm going to use. I'm going to go ahead and use the champagne color. Okay, so it's been a little bit more than 24 hours. Everything is nice and cured, but always give your resin projects at least 2-3 more days to fully cure. But it's cured enough for me to handle it. They look really nice. There was no spillage. The resin didn't spill over. But then I didn't fill it way to the top anyway, because I was worried that it would. But it's close enough, and nothing looked warped or anything. So now let's go ahead and demold these. Oh wow, look at how pretty and sparkly. Yep, it turned out good. See how the edges, they look kind of pink. I don't know if the camera's picking up on it or not, but they shift. They're shifting from a champagne gold to this pink. I don't know if you can see it, but look at how nice it turned out. Okay, so these coasters, the molds, they're pretty good. Had me fooled there though for a moment because they are thin, and I knew, or I hoped that they wouldn't, but I was thinking that they may not work. Now I did get some square ones, so I'm going to try those next. They're a little larger than these, so that'll be my next video coming up soon. But look at how pretty it is. I'd say this was a success. What do you think? Okay, so I had to speed this one up because I had some trouble getting this sucker out. But the mold didn't rip or anything, so yeah, it was a little challenging getting it out, but I was able to get it out without ripping the mold. So I have to be a little patient with this one. It's those little in-between sections of this mold which made it a little hard. But look, not a rip anywhere in sight. So that's a pretty good mold. And this turned out really pretty too. Perfect. Man, I really love this set. I can't wait to customize it and do a lot of different colors and designs in this one. And they fit perfectly inside. Okay, Temu, I see what you're doing. I love these molds. I will leave the link to these molds directly in the description for you. I'm so glad these molds weren't a fail. They do intimidate you when you first take them out of the package. They're so thin and flimsy that you think that they wouldn't work. And that's the purpose of me making this video, to show you, or to hope that it would not be a fail. And it wasn't. They're very, very pretty. The molds are very nice, and I recommend you try them. So thank you so much for watching. Let me know what you think about this set. If maybe you're going to try it, get yourself a set of molds. I don't know if they have them in stock, but at the time of this video they did, so I will leave the link. So thanks for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe so you don't miss my next video. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye-bye.